Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to stop sharing call history between iPhones. To do this, you will first have to go to your settings. Once you open settings, now you have to go to your Apple ID, which you can do so by tapping on the top on your name. Once you do so, you will have to go to iCloud. Now here, under apps using iCloud, you will have to tap on show all to look at other options. Now, on the 9th, you can see contacts. Tap on the button next to contacts to turn it off. Once you turn off contacts, then on the 2nd, you can see the iCloud Drive option. You may tap on iCloud Drive, then tap on the button next to sync this iPhone to turn it off. Now, you may go back and then scroll down to General. Now go to General and then under AirDrop, tap on AirPlay and Handoff. Now tap on the button next to Handoff to turn it off. This is how you may simply stop sharing call history between iPhones. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.